Unraveling the Mystery of Sound Editing. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sound editing. It's a term that's crucial to many industries, especially in media. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of sound editing. Sound editing is the process of selecting, assembling, and manipulating audio data. It involves tasks like cutting parts of a soundtrack, combining sounds from different sources, and adjusting levels to ensure clarity and quality. In films, this could mean the difference between a scene that feels real and one that falls flat. A sound editor is like a wizard behind the curtain, often unseen but essential. They work meticulously to create the auditory atmosphere of a film, TV show, or any media production. Their magic tools include software that enables them to add effects, balance dialogues, and even create sounds that didn't exist before. The power of sound editing lies in its ability to shape the viewer's experience. Imagine watching a horror movie without the creaking doors, or a comedy without the timely sound effects. The emotional impact would be lost. Sound editing adds depth and can transport audiences to different worlds. And that's a wrap on sound editing. We hope this video sheds light on how important sound is in storytelling and the incredible work sound editors do to enhance our viewing experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope you now listen to movies and shows with a newfound appreciation for the art of sound editing.